Can Emma finish the shopping list and learn new English words today? Join this fun supermarket adventure and learn English with us.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning.
Today we are going to the supermarket.
Really? That's great!
Do you have the shopping list?
List.
Yes, I have it right here.
Can I help with the shopping today?
Of course! We need your help.
Let's leave for the supermarket.
I can't wait.
Here we are at the supermarket.
Wow! It's so big!
First, let's buy some fruits. I can see apples, bananas, and oranges.
Let's take some fresh apples.
Apples are my favorite fruit.
Now let's buy some vegetables.
I can see carrots and potatoes. We also need tomatoes.
I like helping with shopping.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you, Mom. Can we buy some cookies?
Yes, but only one packet.
Thank you.
Let's go to the dairy section.
We need milk and cheese.
Hello. Can I help you? Yes. Where can I find butter? Butter is on aisle 5.
I found the butter!
Great work, Emma.
Is everything on the list complete?
Wait. We forgot the eggs.
Good catch.
Let's get the eggs quickly. Now we have everything.
Let's go to the checkout counter.
Your total is $20.
Here is the payment.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Today I learned many new English words.
What words did you learn?
Fruits, vegetables, dairy, cashier, and checkout. I will practice English every day.